and the future. I was your servant, I'd do anything you want me to. But cough, I never knew your life was tough. Then a sickness came, and it was really rough. And then you passed, and that was when I lost enough. But cough, 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 cough. Why did you leave so soon? I wasn't prepared for this. I remember when you gave me my official first kiss. But cough, cough, I never knew your life was tough. Then a sickness came, and it was really rough. And then you passed, and that was when I lost enough. But cough, 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 cough. I'm at my breaking point, 'cause now you're gone. I didn't want you to go, 'cause you were the only